What's going on, YouTube? We are in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. It is right outside of Windrock Park. We drove the 7.5 hours all last night to get here. I think we stopped around 3 o'clock. We stopped and we camped at their local Walmart. And we camped in our new truck camper. It is a mess right now. But yep, it's day one of Windrock. I think we'll be here for 5 days. We got Willie down there, he's gonna join us on the trails. And Ashley is currently in Walmart getting some stuff. With the heavy rains overnight and throughout the day, it made the hard obstacles even harder. Which just meant we had to use a little bit more skinny pedal. Wow. Alright, so we're on our first trail of the day, Trail 16 at Windrock. And we have a fallen tree. We're using a sawzall to get rid of it. Should have brought the chainsaw. Next time. There it goes. America. Got the tree all cleared up. Time to drive over it. With how slick the conditions were, the winches got a workout. Alright, right now we're still on Trail 16. It has been raining for the most of the day, making all these trails really sloppy. But you see, this is all dug out. Ray's trying to go up, and it has a big rock right there. He needs to make it up. Let's see. Come on, go Ray, go Ray, go Ray, go Ray, go Ray, go Ray, go Ray. Ah, so close. Full send, Ray. Full send. Go, 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 go. All right, so Ray couldn't make it up. We're debating if we want to try this one or there's a big one over here. We don't know which one would be easier because they're both kind of a muddy mess.
Hey guys, we're on Trail 51. It's called Panthers Rock. And here we go. It gets a little bit tight. Pretty technical. Camera person almost went down. That's kind of scary. Alright guys, so we came up on a predicament here on Trail 51. What happened was we lost a nut and the hydro assist and the track bar came off. So we're going to lift up the front of the Jeep, get the track bar back in, and hopefully get it fixed and ready to go.
This is just proof that you never know what is going to happen on the trail. It is always great to be around people that know how to get the Jeep fixed and get it back on the trail and be able to limp it out. Especially when you're miles in. So that was the bracket that broke off and he's bending it all back. Alright, so right now we are trying to straighten the track bar because it was bent even more than what they originally come. You know, they're usually straight and then they have that little hump in them. But this was completely bent up where the two ends weren't in line with each other. So what are we doing? We have the track bar hooked up in between two trees on the high lift jack.
So as you can see, the track bar is wedged between two trees. We have a high lift jack propping it up, and we have the winch cable winched around, trying to pull it back to straight to make it to where the two ends are straight with each other. Which, as you can see, it might actually be working.
So hopefully this works and we're able to get everybody off the trail before dark, because it is 5:15. I can imagine this taking quite a while.
I am down at Windrock in Tennessee, and I just broke my front track bar on my Jeep JL. I was wondering if there's any possible way to overnight one.
We were able to get the track bar overnight and he's able to wheel the rest of the week.
All right, so we are on Trail 39, and we are at this portion of what looks like the trail got washed out, and all they have to stop you from going down are these logs, which have moved, so we have to move them back. But we don't want to end up down there